Every Kenworth W900L begins with thousands of precision-made components. Today, every major part has arrived at the factory. Every component is inspected before entering production. Even the smallest bolt is carefully tracked. Every critical component passes strict quality control. Only approved parts continue to production. We need the steel beams on rack 4 immediately. The automated system is routing them now. Watch the clearance on those glass panels.
The chassis is the backbone of the Kenworth W900L. It must be perfectly aligned before assembly. Heavy-duty crossmembers strengthen the truck frame. Every bolt is tightened to exact torque.
Laser measurements ensure a perfectly straight chassis. Precision here affects the entire truck. The suspension supports massive highway loads. Every joint is lubricated before installation.
The rear suspension improves stability and ride comfort. Each connection is manually inspected.
The heavy-duty axle transfers enormous engine power. It must sit perfectly within the suspension. The steering axle controls precision on every highway. Manual fitting ensures perfect alignment. The braking system is assembled by skilled technicians. Every airline is leak-tested later. Smooth steering starts with precise mechanical assembly. Each connection is torque-checked.
The aluminum fuel tanks are mounted by hand. Secure mounting prevents vibration.
Compressed air powers multiple truck systems. Each fitting is double-checked.
The electrical system is carefully routed by hand. Every connector is labeled for accuracy.
The iconic exhaust system begins taking shape. Strong brackets support heavy chrome stacks. The heart of the Kenworth W900L is now ready for installation. In the next stage, the massive Cummins engine meets the chassis.
The Cummins X15 is carefully lowered into position. Precise alignment prevents drivetrain vibration.
Every engine mount is tightened to a precise torque. Manual inspection follows every critical connection. The heavy-duty transmission mates perfectly with the engine. Accurate alignment ensures smooth power delivery.
Every fastening point is verified by hand. Inspection markings confirm proper torque.
The drive shaft transfers engine power to the rear axle. Balance and alignment are critical.
Fuel, coolant, and air systems are now connected. Every clamp is manually tightened. The engine's electronic network is connected by hand. Every connector is checked twice.
The cooling system keeps the powerful diesel engine at optimum temperature. Precision mounting reduces vibration. The heavy-duty cooling fan is fitted by hand. It ensures reliable airflow under load. The iconic chrome exhaust stacks define the W900L. Each bracket is hand-fitted. The electrical power source is securely mounted. Heavy-duty batteries provide reliable starting power. Clean air is essential for diesel performance. Every intake joint is sealed by hand.
The luxury cab begins with sound insulation. This improves long-distance comfort.
The cab structure is assembled with precision. Manual fastening ensures perfect fit.
Each body panel is aligned by experienced technicians. Even small gaps are carefully adjusted. The cab roof completes the basic body structure. Precision assembly ensures weather-tight sealing. Proper door alignment improves sealing and durability. Every hinge is adjusted by hand.
All right, slowly now. Easy on the left side. Looks good, hold it there while I check the gap.
The dashboard support frame forms the foundation of the driver's cockpit. Every mounting point is secured by hand. Every electrical connection is routed with precision. Clean wiring ensures long-term reliability. The dashboard transforms the cab into a functional workspace. Each panel is inspected before fastening.
The steering column is manually aligned for smooth operation. Precise installation improves driving control.
The instrument cluster keeps the driver informed. Every connector is securely locked.
The climate control system is fitted for year-round comfort. Each air duct is carefully sealed. Every pedal is adjusted for smooth operation. Manual testing ensures proper travel.
Premium insulation reduces road noise. The luxury interior begins taking shape.
The driver's air ride seat provides long-haul comfort. Each mounting bolt is torque verified. The passenger seat is fitted with equal precision. Safety equipment is checked immediately. The sleeper transforms the truck into a mobile living space. Every cabinet is hand-aligned. The sleeper offers comfort during long journeys. Electrical systems are connected before final trim.
Every interior panel is fitted by skilled technicians. The cabin now feels complete.
Power windows are tested immediately after installation. Smooth operation confirms correct alignment.
Large mirrors provide maximum highway visibility. Every mounting point is manually checked. The lighting system improves safety in every condition. Each light is connected and secured by hand.
The signature chrome grille gives the W900L its unmistakable identity. Precision alignment creates perfect panel gaps. The iconic long hood is carefully aligned by experienced technicians. Next, the Kenworth W900L receives its wheels and begins to stand on its own.
Wheel hubs are lubricated to reduce friction and wear. Every bearing is installed by skilled technicians. Heavy-duty steer wheels are mounted with precision. Each lug nut follows an exact tightening sequence.
The dual rear wheels are designed for maximum load capacity. Manual torque verification ensures safety.
For the first time, the truck supports its own weight. This marks a major manufacturing milestone.
The engine receives its first supply of premium lubricant. Correct oil levels protect every moving component.
The cooling system is filled without trapper air. This ensures efficient engine temperature control. The air system powers braking and suspension functions. Every connection is inspected for leaks.
Every electronic system undergoes computerized diagnostics. The truck is almost ready to come alive.
The Cummins X15 starts for the very first time. Engine systems are closely monitored during idle. Every connection is inspected under operating conditions. The truck passes its first leak test. Laser alignment improves handling and tire life. Small adjustments make a big difference. Every brake is tested before the truck leaves the factory. Balanced braking is essential for safety. Proper headlight aim improves nighttime visibility. Precision adjustments complete the lighting system. The final finish reflects Kenworth's premium quality. Every surface is polished to perfection. The iconic chrome receives its final hand polish. Attention to detail defines every W900L.
Every completed truck undergoes a comprehensive inspection. Only approved vehicles move to road testing.
The completed Kenworth W900L enters its first road test. Every system is monitored in real time. The powertrain is tested under real driving conditions. Engineers verify smooth performance. Heavy-duty braking performance is carefully measured. Balanced stopping confirms proper assembly.
The suspension is evaluated on multiple road surfaces. The cab remains stable and comfortable.
High-pressure water tests every seal on the truck. A dry interior confirms excellent assembly quality.
A complete electronic health check confirms proper operation. Every control module reports normal status. The interior receives its final premium detailing. Every surface is cleaned by hand.
The exterior receives a showroom quality finish. Every detail reflects premium craftsmanship.
A final torque audit confirms assembly integrity. Every critical connection meets specification.
The truck successfully passes final factory inspection. It is now ready for delivery. Every truck receives complete production documentation. Identification records ensure full traceability.
Protective coverings preserve the truck during transport. Every vulnerable surface is carefully shielded.
The completed truck moves to the shipping yard. It awaits final transport to its destination.
The truck is carefully secured for shipment. Every restraint is double-checked.
Final inspection guarantees customer satisfaction. Every detail meets factory standards.
The completed Kenworth W900L begins its journey. It is ready to serve its future owner. Built with precision, strength, and craftsmanship, the Kenworth W900L is ready for the road ahead.
Another masterpiece from the team.
Kenworth quality right there.